In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove Meta AI from Facebook. So first of all, open the Facebook Messenger. You can see over here Facebook Messenger has been opened. So on Facebook, you'll not be able to directly delete or remove the Meta AI, but you can definitely reduce its presence. For that, what you have to do is simply tap on the chat of the Meta AI. After you do that, you'll be able to access the chat. If you haven't chatted with the Meta AI, what you can do is tap on the Meta AI icon that you can see on the screen. Now after that too, Meta AI chat will be opened. Now tap on the eye icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Over here, you can see this option for mute. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, tap on this option until I change it. Now tap on this option OK. Now after you do that, the chat with the Meta AI will be muted. Now you can go ahead and delete the chat. Long press on the chat of the Meta AI. After you do that, tap on this option delete that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option delete again. So like this, you deleted the Meta AI chat. Now simply do not interact with the Meta AI button that you can see right over here on your screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to reduce its presence. So that is how you remove Meta AI from Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.